Zenith is the perfect partner for any showcase, bookcase, display panel, hatch, interior window, or small sliding glass doors weighing up to 25 kilograms. The kit: glass rail, top guide, bottom rail, rubber strips, fixings kit including the end caps and bottom rollers. The tools: drill, measuring tape, screwdriver, manual or electric, craft knife, saw, set square. First you need to measure and mark out the glass rail ready for cutting. This should match the length of your glass panels. Then, using the saw, cut the glass rail to the desired length. Cut the rubber strips provided to the cut length of your glass rail. Place the rubber strip over the top of the glass rail. Use the glass to push the rubber strip and the glass into their final positions. Trim the rubber overhang once inserted fully. Insert the bottom rollers and end caps into the glass rail. Secure them into place using the screws provided. Repeat for the other rollers. Secure the top guide into the aperture. Measure the position of the bottom rail in accordance with the top guide and fix with the screws provided in the kit. Insert the glass panels in the top guide and drop into the bottom rail. Finger pulls and cylinder locks are also available for this system as optional extras. Please visit www.pchenderson.com for more information.